Good evening and welcome to 200forextips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 15th of March 2018. Okay guys, it was just satisfactory day for trading, and I'm going to start today's analysis from USDJPY. So USDJPY with the bullish expectation from my side, 105,994 was the entry from my side. Now guys, you can look at here, if you look at this level that I have provided in my entry, then you can find one thing, that the market is just leaning on this level and it's making a bullish pressure right from these levels. We have seen a complete downward trend on USDJPY in the last few days. And now if you look at here, then on 14th of February, on 14th of March, we have received a hammer of the sign of a trend reversal on USDJPY, and it was supposed to go up. So right now, if you have taken a trade as per the signals report, then still it's leaning on the level, and it should have given you the profit because it's still bouncing from that level. And if it continue the bullish rally like this, then it can went up to 106514. Okay, now let's talk about the massive trade that is caught on AUDUSD. I have provided a bearish signal to my subscribers on AUDUSD. 078618 was the entry, and guys, you can see a clear downward pattern on the AUDUSD. And it has even went outside the barriers that I have provided in my targeted price 078389. So it was overall very much down. So guys, if you have taken this trade on AUDUSD, then it was a massive downward trend, because you can see that we have very long bearish candles in a row. Okay, now let's talk about a very good trade that is taken on USDCHF, and maybe you people must have caught this bullish rally. I have supplied the clear bullish trend in the morning, 094473. So if you have only caught this trade, then it can, I'm hopeful that it might have given you a lot of pips, because it has went so much up. And I have already predicted this thing in the morning, and 094709 was the targeted price, and you can see that the market even went outside these barriers. So overall it was a very good profitable trade as per the USD. And you know that if you watch my previous lectures, then I was talking about these things in my previous lectures, that it has already reached to the oversold levels. Now here we should buy the pairs, and that what I was explaining in my previous lectures. Okay, now let's talk about the strength of USD Canadian dollar as per the previous lectures, and even as per the signals report today. A clear bullish signal was supplied to the subscribers in the morning. 129543 was the entry, and you can see that it has went up right from the entry, and it has even went towards the targeted price 129963, and it has even went outside that barrier too. So guys, overall today, as per the day, I have supplied the scalping signals to my subscribers, because I was not expecting a very much good day in the market today. And today the market was just satisfactory from my side. It was not very much good, but overall we have still done a good job with our signals. The signal that it hasn't worked properly is Great Britain Pound JPY. However, I was profitable because I have traded this pair in the early session of the day. So 148117 was the entry, and you can see that we have when we have a break from the entry, the market went up to 148395, and after that we have received a sudden drop on this pair. So guys, you can note down this signal again, because if the signal responds during the US session, then the signal will again stay valid. I have a bullish expectation on pound JPY. If it crosses 148117, then the pound has the chances to go up to 148771. So I have a bullish expectation. So it's going down from some days, but right now I'm not expecting a further downward trend. So definitely I will provide you with another signal tomorrow, but right now as per the US session, I'm just giving the signal that if it breaks the level 148117, then the pound JPY will be back in the buying zone again. Okay, so guys, this is all about today's analysis, and hopefully I will update the next analysis tomorrow. So if you are looking to subscribe to Daily Forex Signal Service, if you want to get the trading system that you can watch on my screen, and if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, then you need to use this email for all inquiries, info@200forextips.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.